In this video, we'll show you how to set up the GoDaddy Smart Terminal Duo with your Star Micronics printer, model TSP143IV. You'll learn how to set up your printer, connect the printer to the Smart Terminal with either USB or your network Ethernet connection, and connect a cache drawer to your printer. Let's start with your Smart Terminal Duo screen. Go to the Accessory Manager and select Add Accessory. From there, click Printers. Next, you should activate your Star Micronics printer, model TSP143IV. Plug one end of the power cord into the printer and the other into a power source. Load the receipt printer paper from underneath the roll. Then power it on. Press the feed button to make sure that the paper is loaded correctly. Now you can connect the Smart Terminal to the Star Micronics printer. You can connect in two ways, either by USB or by your network Ethernet connection. We recommend USB to connect a single terminal to one printer. Alternatively, for a multi-station setup, we recommend using your network Ethernet connection so that multiple POS terminals can send orders to the same shared kitchen or back office printer. To connect using the USB cable that comes with your Star Micronics printer, plug the USB-A cable into the Smart Terminal Duo dock. Then place the terminal back on your dock. Now connect the USB-C end of the cable into the printer. To connect using your network, make sure that your Star Micronics printer is connected to your network router or access point using the provided Ethernet cable. The printer should be connected to the same network as your Smart Terminal. Now, you'll need to enter the IP address into the Smart Terminal to connect it. Here's how to get the IP address. With the printer powered off, hold the feed button and power on the printer at the same time. Hold until you see two test receipts print. And the current IP address will be near the bottom of the second receipt. On the Smart Terminal, once you've added the model number and IP address, you should see the printer is now connected to the device. At this point, you should be able to print a test receipt from the Smart Terminal. If you have a compatible Star Micronics cache drawer, follow these steps to connect it to your Star Micronics printer. Using the RJ cable that comes with your cache drawer, plug the end labeled Cache Drawer into the drawer and the other end labeled Printer into your connected Star Micronics printer. Once connected, you'll be able to test your cache drawer. By default, receipt settings are enabled with order numbers and items, but you can change this under receipt settings after setup. That's how you set up your Star Micronics printer with your GoDaddy Smart Terminal Duo. Thanks for watching.